let's try this again. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome first out of the blue corner, James Davis.
And Rage in the Cage 89 is brought to you by Coors Light, Jesse's Photos and Crafts, Fast Productions, Starlight Productions, and Video. And here we go, Caleb Nutty, finally. James Davis making his way from Tulsa, Oklahoma. He's going to the kickboxing world tonight, Caleb Nutty. James Davis.
And now, help me welcome his opponent out of the red corner, Olen. Learn.
This man making his way from Oklahoma City, Caleb Nutty, Jonathan Learn.
No, from Edmond, Oklahoma. This fight is taking place in Oklahoma City. Edmond is immediately north. Borders with Oklahoma City.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is brought to you by the Archangels Foundation. And it will be 3 2-minute rounds in the Rage in the Cage Amateur 205-pound light heavyweight kickboxing division. First, fighting out of the first World Jiu-Jitsu gear blue corner, he is a kickboxer. He's with a record of 2 wins and only 1 defeat. He's standing 6 foot 1 inches tall. He weighed in at 208 pounds. Fighting out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, representing Hurricane Fitness. Please help me welcome James Davis. And fighting out of the Young Chiropractic red corner, he is a striker with an unblemished record of 2 wins and no defeats. He's standing 6 foot 5 inches tall. He weighed in at 204 pounds. Fighting out of Edmond, Oklahoma, representing American Elite MMA. Please help me welcome Olen Howling Buffalo Learn.
It's Learned.
For this contest is Anthony Macias.
Anthony Macias giving them the final instructions. Jonathan's in the gold and black. James Davis is in the black and red.
No, that's right.
Here we go. The
Yeah,
amateur
that's right.
light heavyweight kickboxing division.
Man, that's a big old boy.
He's opening up with big leg kicks and then head kicks.
They're swinging heavy straight away. No feeling out face here from these fighters.
Coming in at 6'5", Jonathan has a giant height and reach advantage. Looking for a head kick now. Davis is starting to pour back though.
These guys are just standing and trading.
Yeah, no one's giving an inch.
This is what kickboxing is all about right here. I love it. Dang!
Davis with the combination now.
Yeah, Davis landed a couple good ones in that combo. Couple good more. What a great combo there by Davis. Both guys are just swinging. No single shots here by either fighter. This is really high level stuff for guys that don't really have a whole lot of fights. Good
Ooh.
body shots by Davis, too.
Yeah, Davis switching it up, man.
Oh.
Ooh, we caught Jonathan twice
Yeah,
flush.
right behind the ear, too, on one of them. Didn't quite land it with everything he wanted to.
Learn coming forward now and dropping combinations. Caught the kick. Throws a head kick of his own. Oh!
Well, I might have landed with a kick right to the face as he
Yeah.
fell, too.
That was pretty crazy. Didn't really seem to phase Davis at all, though. We got 10 seconds left in this opening round.
Time flies when you're having fun. There goes the round.
Wow.
Those guys finished with a bang, though.
Bell to bell, these dudes are fighting.
Well, I think we already have somebody's overtaken the fight of the night already just with that round. That round was bananas. Great round. Hard to
Yeah, I
say
don't
who
even
won.
know who to give that
I
to.
have no idea, brother.
Got Jessica Elizabeth getting us ready for round number 2 here.
Yeah, no doubt. It was pretty crazy. Even Davis was able to get his leg up there to throw some head kicks, and that's a big man to be head kicking is.
For sure, everybody. All right. See us cleaning up some kind of spot in the ring before we get ready for round number 2.
He cleaned it up real good, though. It's not a problem anymore. Squeaky clean.
Cage door shut in his lock. Here we go. Dave's trying a 2-punch kick combination. Throws another kick. Both fighters just swinging. Jonathan's starting to pour it on to Davis now.
Oh, my goodness.
He's doing
Davis.
a great job using his reach.
Davis might be getting a little tired now. The combinations are not as...
That was a big uppercut, another big uppercut.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
knee.
He's pouring it on right now.
Yeah, he's unloading.
Oh, big uppercut lands, too.
Jonathan Lawrence pouring it on, trying to finish the fight.
Man, oh, man. That's it.
Yeah, I don't know if he's going to answer. I think he won. I think it's over. Oh.
Now, there was a low blow, I think, that he was complaining about. So now that he's up, he's answered the count. He's going to give him time for the low blow as well, I guess.
Yeah, and he immediately put his hands
Need to
above his head,
rewind
too,
that.
like he's trying to catch his air.
Yeah. That low blow affected him pretty badly, I think, at some point. Macias letting the timekeeper know now.
He's going to let it go on. looking for head kicks, so Davis got out of the way, but he's pouring it on again. All right, we're going to go to a third round. Another good round, Caleb Nutty. This is a great fight we're seeing.
Yeah, a little bit of confusion, I know, from some of the fans for that second round, but yeah, that's what it was he didn't want to stop the action right then and there like that, but there was an illegal blow, so he still gave him the time for it after he got back up.
Which,
Once
I
he
mean,
got
that's a sign of a good ref, because a lot of refs could have just stopped the fight, but
I thought it was a
saw
good
that
move,
he
too.
got hurt in a legal way and gave him time to recover, so.
I'd agree. I think it was a good move, good call by Mad Dog Macias.
And I don't think Jonathan's corner agreed with it, but I mean, you got to stop it if it's a legal blow. Give him some time to recover.
I see where he was coming from for sure. Important round here. Final round.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Round number 3. Will it be Davis or will it be Warren? Here we go.
Why is it?
I feel like
nasty leg kick.
I just feel like Jonathan's going to be a tough nut to crack for anyone who fights Caleb Nutty, just because he's so tall and he's so
big,
lanky.
man. He's a big dude.
Like, I can't remember the last time I've seen a light heavyweight in Rage in the Cage at 6'5",
What is the deal?
stretched out like that. Big body shot, uppercut, another uppercut, body-head combination.
That check left hook landed. Big knees again. This could be it.
He's trying to close the shot here tonight. He's saying cup again. Anthony Macias is saying no. He's saying it's over. Jonathan Learn wins his victory here tonight.
That was a good performance there. And round 1 was potentially one of the best rounds we're going to see all night for sure.
Yeah, this dude is going to be a problem for anyone who comes in his division.
Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, this contest was stopped at 33 seconds of round number 3 for your winner via TKO out of the red young chiropractic corner, Olen Howling Buffalo Learn.
Congratulations, Olen. Welcome back to the Rage in the Cage winner's circle. And if people didn't know this before, you most definitely proved tonight that you are a force to be reckoned with. I mean, this is 3-0 for you at knockouts, right?
Yeah, it is 3-0 knockouts, but I really have to give it up to my coaches and family for supporting me. Especially my brothers were always coaching me and being on me, so I just got to say thank you. So.
You definitely had some big shoes to follow with your brother being a pro MMA fighter, so sure that paid off a little bit.
Oh, it did by far. All those times I didn't want to do it, he just dragged my butt up there and did it, so got to give my hats off to him today.
You know, and I want to say thank you to you as well as your gym, American Elite, for letting me come out and view the facility. What an impressive facility you guys there. So definitely, I'm sure that helps.
Oh, by far it helps having a facility like that. It's totally amazing. I love it.
Well, good work tonight. Congratulations for your victory. Appreciate you and your family always being here and supporting Rage in the Cage. So congratulations once again.
his brother Julian Sunshine Learned, the blonde.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give
American
it one more
Elite.
time for Olen, Howling, Buffalo, Learn.
Learned.
Fun fact for you guys, Olen made his kickboxing debut in Mike Crawford's bar. Now look at him, 3-0, all knockouts.